Welcome to our comparison of the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Aeitto ice maker. Today, we will explore how these two machines stack up against each other in terms of speed, versatility, and cost. The Igloo model is known for its affordability and compact design, while the Aeitto offers faster ice production and dual ice sizes. Let's dive in and see which one is the better choice for your countertop ice-making needs. When it comes to price, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is priced at just $94, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Aeitto ice maker comes in at $199, which is significantly higher. While the Aeitto offers additional features, the price difference is something to consider for those looking for a more economical option. In terms of ice production speed, the Igloo takes about 7 to 8 minutes to produce a batch of 8 ice cubes, while the Aeitto is slightly faster, producing the same amount in just 6 minutes. This difference may seem small, but for those who need ice quickly, the Aeitto's speed can be a significant advantage, especially during gatherings. Another key difference is the type of ice produced. The Igloo model creates cylinder-shaped ice cubes in a single size, which may not be suitable for all beverages. On the other hand, the Aeitto offers 2 sizes of bullet ice, allowing for greater versatility in drink preparation. This feature can enhance the drinking experience, making the Aeitto a more appealing choice for cocktail enthusiasts. In conclusion, both the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Aeitto ice maker have their strengths and weaknesses. The Igloo is a fantastic budget-friendly option, while the Aeitto excels in speed and versatility. Depending on your needs, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.